Okay, so my second sem has begun and I got this new book similar to the one which I already had. It's a 5-subject book to make notes, and I got this for my accounts because I don't like carrying the heavy ledger. I hope the teacher doesn't mind that. Nitin is my head of ideation team. What did you say, Nitin?
This is my 4th semester notebook.
He's gonna cover. He's gonna cover how many subjects in this?
5.
Cheat. That is
English
preparation.
doesn't have any notes, right?
I'm sure your language subject has it. Something is.
Here and here. Okay, I'm leaving it. Don't drop it.
It's always these two who are up to something.
What's up?
You look like it's just like me when it's just like a younger version of me when I wore this very big. I hate fair and lovely.
Don't tell me you're gonna walk in wearing that. Are you gonna walk in the class wearing that?
Huh?
Are you gonna walk in the class wearing?
Yeah, I'll walk to class wearing this.
Turn around. Oh my god, this guy.
I'm so glad it's not windy today because like you low-key feel the wind.
Look how pretty. Banana bread. I mashed the bananas, added in some cinnamon, some baking powder and baking soda. So although the crust looked really crispy, it was really gooey in the inside. So after I tasted it a little bit, I decided to sit that in the oven for another 30 minutes and then I didn't record. Autumn, the National Level Business Fest, is the inauguration today.